Dear all, is your organization lacking a well-organized support system? Do they require faster response and expert assistance? Or are they facing difficulties explaining issues to the Teamcenter support team? Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk to you about Teamcenter Support. PLM Nordic experts are coming from OEM backgrounds and have complete knowledge of Teamcenter installation, configuration, administration and data migration along with TCSAP integration. With a strong business sense, our support specialists can help you with your Teamcenter and computer-aided design applications. We have over 48,000 plus hours of Teamcenter support and administration experience with multinational companies from the USA and Europe. Teamcenter support categories. We believe there are three types of PLM support categories: Level 1 support, Level 2 support and Level 3 support. In Level 1 support, our experts try to identify the issue and check the issue category, do basic troubleshooting, report to the users about the status of tickets and update issue logs. If the issue does not get resolved, then it will be passed on to the Level 2 support team. Here, the team will try to identify the root cause of the recurring issue, try to reproduce the issue on the test environment and resolve it without making any big changes in the production system. Most of the time, they will use DBA access to resolve issues or run some admin utilities for batch processing, for example, changes like preferences, workflow, stylesheet, etc. If the team identifies that we need to configure the Teamcenter modules or need to develop custom utilities, then they will pass such tickets to the Level 3 support team. This team is responsible for the complete development process, including any installation, testing and documentation. Sometimes they will also need to connect with Siemens if the problem is caused by the OOTB Siemens code. Here are some practical examples we want to show in this part of the video. So, we will start with the Level 1 support issue. Here, a user is facing an issue while logged into the Teamcenter Rich client. From the error, it looks like the user's account is inactive. From experience, we can say that Level 1 issues should be resolved in max of 15 to 20 minutes. If it takes more than that, it should be passed to the Level 2 support category. To resolve this issue, the support executive logged into Teamcenter using administrative privileges. Meanwhile, the support team will ask for the manager's permission to activate the account if needed and see if a license is available. Then we checked in Organization module in Teamcenter and found that Nikhil's account is inactive. He activated the account and saved the changes in Teamcenter using Modify button. As discussed previously, issues that require more troubleshooting, or where we need to configure Teamcenter functionalities or run admin utilities, are transferred to the Level 2 support team. Let's consider here, a user released some items mistakenly and now wants it to unrelease them or delete the workflow. The user has created a support ticket in Jira with details and images. Therefore, administrator needs to use DBA access in order to create a new workflow for unreleased item revisions and datasets. This will need sample testing on the test environment before applying changes on production. An administrator is using the Workflow Designer module in Teamcenter to design a new workflow. He had created a workflow called Unrelease Workflow for the job. It consists of the Remove Status task, which removes status from all target objects selected by a user before starting the workflow. We used the EPM set status handler to remove all statuses applied on the item revision. Also, by using the template filter option, we can restrict who can use unreleased workflow and who doesn't. We assign this workflow only to the DBA group. For engineering group, which consists of all designers from R&D team, could not even see this workflow in their list. Now close the Workflow Designer module and select all item revisions and datasets for which we need to remove the release status. Press Ctrl+P to apply the unrelease workflow and start the operation. Before pressing OK, we can cross-check whether the selected workflow is correctly modified or not. Once a workflow is completed, you can see that all release statuses are removed from target objects. Let's consider for the Level 3 developer team received a request from designers to create one custom utility, which will modify information in the legacy and outdated data from the system. Such a type of utility will help when we want to correct thousands of drawings. PLM Nordic team developed this and many other custom utilities for the customers. This package consists of one input file and set of utilities which we are going to use. This utility can work in standalone and Teamcenter integrated environment. By using this utility, we can update notes and attributes and also generate barcodes. We can also export PDFs to save back in Teamcenter. In the input file, we need to provide item ID, old text and new text. All these three inputs need to be separated by a comma. Let's see one example of it now. To execute the utility, open NX, go to File, Execute, and select NX Open option to run the utility. Select the utility and click OK. Then it will ask for the input file. Provide the input file to the utility and click OK. Utility the start execution and open all NX drawings one by one NX application and start modifying the data. Once drawings are modified, utility will export them to PDF and save to Teamcenter. We can cross-check by opening the PDF files from the Teamcenter, whether the data is correctly modified or not. Users can also check NX drawings to be sure whether all changes are updated in NX drawings as well or not. Please visit our Teamcenter and NX helpline, which is free and open to all PLM community. Here, you will get instant expert assistance, guidance and best practices for your organization. You can also email us at mentioned email ID. We provide services to these Siemens products and also developed our own SmartPort application to automate Teamcenter issue reporting and resolution. Thank you for watching this video.